In this video, I'm gonna show you how I finished this Working Miniature Pendulum Attraction ride. Let's get started. First, I had to make a base for my miniature. So I took a big piece of wood and put my miniature on it to get an idea of what it would look like. Then I marked where I wanted to cut. After cutting it, I carefully used epoxy to glue one side of the construction to the base. When that was done, I did the other side. To prepare the miniature for painting, I used masking tape to mask the wires. Before I actually paint all the different cars, I'm going to spray paint it with some black miniature primer. First, I did just the bottom of the base. Then when that was dry, I did the rest. Now that the primer is applied, I can paint the swing blue. But to do this, I will of course have to mask everything else. I'm just going to do the same as before, but with some blue paint. For the seats, I wanted to be a bit more precise, so I'm going to paint this part by hand. Finally, it's time for the electronics. I already tested all of this in part 1, but here is the circuit. And here is the code. As you can see, the Arduino Nano is soldered to the servos, and I did my best to make the wires look as good as possible, even though I had to use tape instead of shrinkable tube. Finally, for the circuit, I'm going to solder this 9V adapter directly to the Arduino Nano. To hide the Arduino, I made another simple model and 3D printed it. And here it is. As you can see, the Arduino Nano is hidden and everything works great. As always, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and consider subscribing, I'd really appreciate it.